Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I'm back with another refreshing recipe. Today we will be making orange squash. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'm going to start by adding half kg of sugar into a pot. Half liter of water, and give it a light mix. Once the mixture starts boiling, turn the flame to medium and cook until the sugar is dissolved and the syrup is thickened. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the syrup is thickened and is slightly sticky, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 liter of orange juice. This is about 1 dozen of oranges. Give it a good mix. Bring it to boil and then cook it on medium flame for 45 minutes. Make sure that you keep mixing in between. After 45 minutes, turn off the flame and let the syrup cool down. Transfer the prepared syrup into an airtight bottle or container. This syrup is approximately of 1 liter and it can be stored in fridge for up to 4 to 5 months. In a glass, add some ice cubes, 1/4 cup of prepared squash. Make sure that the squash is cold. Cold water as required. Give it a light mix. This drink is now ready to serve. This is a perfect, refreshing drink for hot evenings and iftar. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section below of what you think about it. Like and share it with your families and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.